In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Ads and Merchant Center in just about 5 minutes. This straightforward guide will walk you through the process step by step, whether you're looking to amplify your online sales efforts or refine your advertising strategies on Google. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, to kick things off, you'll need to navigate to the Merchant Center overview page. This is essentially your dashboard for all things related to your Merchant Center account, where you can manage your product listings, monitor performance, and much more. It's the starting block for our task today. Once you're on the overview page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll spot a cogwheel icon. This icon represents the settings menu, a gateway to several administrative features of your Merchant Center account. Click on this icon to proceed. This action is pivotal as it leads us to the core functionalities of the Merchant Center, allowing us to tweak and tailor the account to our advertising needs. Following the previous step, the next course of action is to click on Apps and Services from the menu. This particular section is where Merchant Center houses its integration settings, among other services. It's a hub for extending the functionality of your account by connecting it with other applications and services, including Google Ads, which is our focus today. After venturing into the Apps and Services menu, you'll see an option labeled Add Service. This is your ticket to establishing the connection between Google Ads and Merchant Center. It signifies the Merchant Center's readiness to link up with a new service that enhances its capabilities, specifically in this case, the advertising prowess of Google Ads. Click on Add Service and a list will appear offering various services that you can integrate with your Merchant Center account. From this list, select Google Ads. Choosing Google Ads is like selecting a pathway for your Merchant Center to communicate and synergize with your Google Ads account, unlocking a realm of advertising opportunities across Google's vast network. After selecting Google Ads, a prompt will appear with a Next button. This signifies you're one step away from finalizing the integration. Click on Next to move forward. This action essentially confirms your decision to add Google Ads as a service to your Merchant Center account, ushering you into the final stages of the connection process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully initiated the connection between Google Ads and Merchant Center. This seamless integration is crucial for leveraging Google's advertising ecosystem to boost your product's visibility and performance. But remember, this integration is just the beginning. It opens up a plethora of options and settings within Google Ads that you can optimize based on your marketing objectives and target audience. A few additional tips to bear in mind. Always ensure your Merchant Center and Google Ads accounts are in good standing to avoid any interruptions. Regularly update your product information for accuracy and continuously optimize your ads for the best results. Connecting Google Ads and Merchant Center is a potent move for anyone aiming to excel in online sales and advertising. It's a synergy that not only amplifies your product listings' visibility across Google's platforms, but also refines your advertising strategies to target your ideal customers more effectively. Thank you for following along this tutorial. Whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned digital marketer, understanding how to link these powerful tools is essential in the digital age. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to navigate the online world more efficiently.